That's me.
Hello okay guys, my name is Mr. Shock, and welcome to another video on my versus battles. And a reminder to everyone that I reached about 6k subscribers. Thank you all so much for this support. Today's battle is Kratos versus Deathwolf. And yes, I'm calling Deathwolf because people keep on overrating him just because he's deaf straight up. I will no longer call him Death because he's just a wolf with two sickles. But anyways, make sure to subscribe to my channel and click the bell button so you won't miss another one of my videos. And once again, thanks for 6k subscribers. God bless you all. So yeah, now on with the show!
We survive today because of your choices. Who to trust, who to call friend. Son, you are ready.
Remember our promise.
Loki will go. Atreus. Atreus remains.
Well.
You must be the guy that everyone's been talking
Whatever it is you seek, I do not have it. You should move on.
I never do this, but can I get your autograph? Been following you for a long time. Sign right there.
You do not want this fight.
So I've heard.
This path you walk. Vengeance. You will find no peace. I know.
Everyone thinks they'll be the one to defeat me. but no one's escaped me yet.
Leave my home.
You are going to have to kill me for that to happen.
I warned you.
This is gonna be fun.
Who are you?
I am death. And I don't mean it metaphorically or rhetorically or poetically or theoretically or in any other fancy way. I'm death. Straight up. And I've come for you. You know,
I've been a fan of you for a very long time.
I find the very idea of 9 lives absurd. And you didn't value any of them. So, why don't I do us both a favor and take this last one now?
But what will you do now?
When the pyre is spent, and you have gathered my ashes, spread them from the highest peak in all the realms. You will do this for me. To grieve deeply is to have loved fully. Open your heart to the world as you have opened it to me, and you will find every reason to keep living in it.
Death can have me when it earns me.
Well, I haven't lost a fight yet.
Again.
Ooh, I do like a good challenge.
What can I say to you? I remember how it felt to take that throne. All that it meant. And all that it did not. A god of war. A god of pain. Of suffering. Of destruction. For the sake of our children, we must be better.
You know we will meet again, right? If the moment calls for a call.
I got my peaches out in. I got my peaches out in. I got my peaches out in. Got my peaches out in. Got my peaches out in. I got my peaches out in.